Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and signing into the account you want to inspect. Once logged in, go directly to your profile by tapping or clicking your profile photo. This ensures you're viewing your own connections. Make sure you're on the personal profile view rather than a page. Profiles show the following list. If you use the app, select the three-dot menu under your cover photo. On desktop, stay on the Profile tab. This sets up the exact place where the following list appears. Once on your profile, find the Friends, More, or About sections, depending on Facebook's layout, and look for Following. You choose Following to reveal people, pages, and public profiles you follow. Make sure to use any filter or tab options, because Facebook separates people from pages and people you've muted or unfollowed. If you don't see Following, open the More menu under your cover photo. Layouts differ between mobile and desktop. This step displays the full list, so you now review the list and manage connections. Tap Follow or Following to unfollow someone, or visit their profile to follow back. You can search the list for a name or page to save time. Once done, adjust privacy or mute settings from each profile if you want less content without unfollowing. If you can't find the following list, make sure the app is updated, clear cache, or try a desktop browser. These fixes resolve most layout or loading problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.